everyone and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Glimpsme. I'd like to thank all of my subscribers out there. Maraming salamat po. Now we are at almost 700. So road to 1K na tayo, guys. Yahoo! Maraming salamat. So I made this vlog kasi marami pong nagtatanong kung paano i-operate ang LAGERMANIA. This is specially made to all of you. So before we start, please wag niyong kalimutan to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. So I hope this will help everyone, lalo na yung mga may bagong appliances dyan with LAGERMANIA. Let's go ahead and start.
Ito yung ating gas range. Ito yung 500 series ng LAGERMANIA. Ito siyang 5 knobs. Okay? Itong 5 knobs na to, this is for the gas burners. Okay? Gas burners itong tatlo, and then this one is for the oven or for grilling, and then this one naman is for the electric hot plate, yung nandito sa itaas. Ayan. Okay, so itong tatlo, ito yung sa gas burners, and then ito yung sa electric hot plate, which can be operated by this knob. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong kung paano gamitin ito, so let's say for example, mag-grill kayo. So all you have to do when grilling, okay, so ipipress lang natin yan pataas para umilaw dito sa loob. So I'll show you that in a bit. Alright, so ayan, kailangan nakakonect. Let's say for example, mag-grill kayo ng chicken. Yung nasa gitna na gagamitin nyo, okay? As you can see, we have there, turn to the left. Kung mag-oven kayo or gagamitin nyo yung oven. Now, if ang gagamitin nyo naman is grill, then you have to turn it on the other side. Alright? Or turn it to the right. Okay? Now, let's say for example, ready na yung chicken na ilalagay nyo or i-grill nyo. You need to turn on this one right here. So, ito. So, as you can see, wala pang ilaw dyan sa loob. Right? So, nakakonect na yung electric natin. Nakakonect na siya. So, for this one, para magkaroon ng ilaw sa loob at umikot yung ROTISSERIE or the one for grilling, you need to turn this on. Turn it upwards. Like that. So, as you can see, na-turn on na natin, we now have light inside. Okay? So, once magkaroon na yan ng light, yung ROTISSERIE natin na nasa loob, you see the one right there? Yan yung tutusukan mo nung ROTISSERIE for grilling. Okay? So, iikot na yan. So, pag nag-grill tayo, guys, ituturn lang natin yan to the right for grilling. So, ganito ang pagsindi, okay? Now, let's say, for example, mag-grill tayo. First, turn on natin to para mag-turn on yung ilaw sa loob together with the ROTISSERIE na iikot. So, for us to be able to light this, so ganito ang pag-light, kailangan nakasindi muna yung match nyo before you turn on this grill right here, and then yan. So, sisindi na yan. Make sure naka-on yung gasol ninyo, ha? Dapat naka-connect yung gasol. Pagtapos na kayo magluto, then pagtapos na kayo mag-grill, then you'll just need to turn this off. Okay? And take the electric out. So mostly, nag-grill kami for an hour para maluto yung isang buong chicken na malaki-laki, na ganyan na size. So this time naman, guys, mag-bake tayo ng cake para makita nyo. So ito na, naka-ready na yung cake natin. Okay? Tayo sa pinakagitna ng knob, okay? So, kanina, nag-grill tayo, so we turned it to the right. This time naman, oven yung gagamitin natin. So, mag-bake tayo ng cake. So, this is for baking cookies, cakes, and all, kung ano gusto nyo. So, ito naman, opposite naman siya for grilling. Kanina yung grill, ito yung nasa taas yung sisindihan nyo, right? Now, for the oven naman, kung mag-bake kayo, ito yung nasa baba. You see that? Okay, so, ganito yung pagsindi, guys. So, unang-una, magsindi muna tayo bago natin i-turn on yung knob to the right, I mean to the left for the oven. So, right. Okay, so you see that? So, may ilaw na. Right? Nakasindi na yan. So, we'll have to turn it to the max, the maximum degree Celsius. So, ipi-preheat natin yan for 2 minutes. So, after preheating for 2 minutes, saka na natin siya ilagay sa degree Celsius na kailangan. So, with baking this cake, kailangan lang natin to put it to 180 degrees Celsius. 2 minutes na, guys. Tapos na tayo mag-preheat. Now, papasok na natin yung cake natin. Ayan. So, perfect for baking. Nasa gitna lang siya. Okay, so dapat nasa gitna lang siya. Mainit na siya, guys. Okay. Alright, so let's leave it for 35 minutes. Kapag sarado niyo ng oven niyo, make sure na hindi malakas, okay? Kailangan nakasupport pa rin yung pagsarado. Or else, pag malakas yung pagsarado niyo, magkaroon ng impact, mamatay yung sindi sa loob, and it might cause fumes. Nakakatakot. Buto kayo dyan. Okay, so, ito na, tapos na siya mag-preheat. So, we'll turn the knob to 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes.
So, ito na yung mga sample na nag-grill namin and then na-bake namin. So, guys, I hope this helped. So, thank you so much all for watching and have a great day, okay? You keep safe.